This is a rat trap. You know already what time it is. It's slow-mo time! Alright guys, before I drop the water balloon into this, let's try an air one, alright? Wow, that thing endured. Alright guys, we're gonna use the water balloon this time with the rat trap. Let's go. Oh no! What the heck is late? Alright guys, third time's the charm. So this time I'm just gonna drop it so that it can hit right here perfectly and so we can see the visual effects.
3, 2.
Yes, we got it! GoPro, stop recording.